Welcome folks, this is the Hindu length of Jan. US ambassadors to fund to help restore Paiga Town's complex in Hyderabad. The necropolis, a large designed cemetery with the elaborate tomb monument of a nobleman dating from Asaf Jani era known as Paiga Tomb Complex in Hyderabad is set to be restored with funding by US Ambassador Fund of Cultural Preservation. Announcing this on Tuesday, US Charge d'Affaires, that is CDA, Elizabeth Jones, said that $25,000 grant will fund the restoration process. Gorgeous sites. This absolutely gorgeous sites, preserving cultural landmarks such as this benefits all humanity by preserving them. We ensure that history, art, and architecture are not lost to time. We make it possible for future generations to experience the same wonder and awe that we are experiencing here today, she said. Restoring like this allow the people of United States to play a role in other nations and communities where we work in a way that transcends traditional policy issue. By supporting the preservation of cultural heritage, the United States demonstrates its respect for other culture and people, she said at a formal ceremony at the Tombs complex. This is one of the most significant architectural sites in Hyderabad. Stucco work like this doesn't exist anywhere else in India. It has incredible lattice, screens, minarets, and detailing. We are documenting the architectural details, and restoration will include the landscape. And said Ratish Nanda, CEO of Aga Khan Trust of Culture, which will carry out the restoration work in 2.5 years.